Welcome to Motorhome Aura, where luxury rolls free. Subscribe for Elite RV Tours motorhome lovers. This is it. We're exploring 4 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Ultima trims. Stay with me. The standard Ultima's quilted black exterior and rooftop lounge glow with a velvet lounge and smart kitchen. Its 700 HP V12 hits 60 in 8 seconds, $1.8 million. The executive Ultima silver finish and skydeck shine with a wine cellar and 750 horsepower, $1.95 million. The Royal Ultima's gold blue exterior and skybar impress, with silk suites and 850 horsepower, $2.2 million. The Diamond Edition's diamond-dusted helipad and levitating bed scream opulence with 900 horsepower, $2.5 million. Pure decadence. Detailed video coming soon, don't miss it. Comment your dream trim, like, and subscribe for more luxury adventures. See you on the road.